Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just gonna show you how to install this diffuser that I picked up on eBay for like 60 bucks. So as you can see, there's just some nuts here. The holes are already pre-drilled, and then I just gotta try to just finish it. And they already gave some bolts here that I can secure this diffuser onto my rear diffuser for my S5. And we'll see how it looks. You know, it's 60 bucks. Most diffusers for these cars are like 400, 600. I don't have that stupid amount of money just for a diffuser. I'm just gonna try to see how it fits, and whenever I get a better weather, as you can see my car is like soaked, so whenever I get a decent weather I can make some pictures and show you guys outside how it looks. So like I said guys, very simple. I use those cans in order just to secure the diffuser while I was bolting. I've put two bolts here. Those are the ones that help just to drill through the diffuser that you can see here, just that. So it's nice and secure. I just need to tighten those ones. I'm just trying to angle them right now. You can see here. I'm just trying to see which one I prefer. Put two here, and two over there, and that's basically it. From the sides, like I said, I will show outside how it looks. Looks pretty aggressive. It doesn't really fit that well, but you know, 60 bucks, it's not too bad. Just clean it with acetone, the bolts. Just painting them black real quick. Just a little quick coat on them, you can see. A little quick coat, just so it's a little bit slicker when you look at it. I don't want to see the bolts. I think it's pretty ugly when you see them exposed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's get some pictures and I'll show you guys how it looks like outside. It's pretty cold out here. Here's how the diffuser looks like from all the angles. Hopefully no one comes. There you go. It's looking pretty good, to be honest. I really like it. I really dig it. For 60 bucks, man. $60. I think it's not bad. You know, maybe the top part here, maybe you could trim it a nice line and just take it off, you know, like something like this. It would look cool enough. I might trim it, I might not. For now I like it, and I'm too lazy, and it's winter soon, so whatever. Alright guys, so I got back into the car and it's pretty cold. So yeah, basically that's it. Just a quick diffuser install, nothing special, no, just a couple of tools. I think it was a 11 or 10 mil socket and drill. That's it. You can get a drill anywhere at Walmart. Really simple, like really simple. Just put those cans of paint there just so the thing holds. Didn't even need a jack. I had the jack there, but I didn't use it. I was planning on using it because I thought I would have to because of the space, but it was actually pretty simple. So yeah guys, quick install. Give it an 8 out of 10 in terms of like how easy it is. If 10 was really easy. And that's it, just a little bit of finicking around, and yeah, I think it looks good. Alright, see you guys in the next one.